Yeah?
Cá kèo.
Cá keo. The fish is so fresh, it's still alive. We're gonna cook this hoe on the grill.
Ở đây là quậy nè.
He's still alive. They're still alive. Is he moving?
Anh ở đây là quậy. Đấy.
Oh. Oh, that's a tough fate. The fate of a
Any lies?
Oh man, that's animal rights activists will be commenting. Yikes. That's a tough fate.
Wow.
Look at those big prawn though, man. Those prawn look nice.
Ghê quá. Lần đầu tiên ăn cá cưng.
That is cruel and unusual. Cultural exchange.
Master chef.
I think you are master chef. That's good. Beautiful dinner. I think he's dead. We made it. Beautiful. Wang Yin.
Ăn riêng.
What is this? Tell me.
Đậu bắp.
Đậu bắp.
Đậu bắp.
Is okra
Yes.
and ga. Is this chicken?
Bát thịt.
Có.
Beef.
Bo.
Bò.
Oh, good. Very good. Bo. Quoy. Bo quoy. Bo quoy.
Bò.
Or kai.
Bò cái. No.
Grilled.
Cold.
Bak. How do I say grilled?
Bó. Bít.
Grilled
Beef.
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 Okay.
Yes.
And nuts arm.
Trứng cút.
Trung cút.
Yes.
All right.
Trứng
Good.
cút.
À,
Very good.
ba chỉ thì đọc tiếng Anh là gì?
All right.
Không
We'll
có
be
ba
back.
chỉ,
We'll be
ba
back
chỉ.
for more. Miss An.
Ba chỉ thì ba chỉ.
Ah. Okay. Scraps. Cleaning up scraps. Tomato. He's cleaning up after us. Ooh. Beautiful. Look at you all. We crushed all this food. Wang Yin. Wang Yin is in all my videos. Are you going to sing next? Who's next?
You.
No. Vinh Khanh. There he is.